Hey guys, it's Eddie the Magic Monk. Today I'm going to show you some minimal equipment that is required for you to start using your iPhone. So recently I've been handed a iPhone 6s Plus from my brother because he's got an iPhone X now. And if you just get given a second-hand phone like this, there's not much you can do with it because there's a lot more stuff that's required to get started. So firstly, you need to make sure that you have an iPhone charging cable. And the reason is because if you have a look at the end of the cable, the socket is different to a normal micro USB. So if you just have an Android charging cable, it's not going to work. So make sure you get an iPhone one for iPhone 6s Plus. The second thing you're going to need is a case. As you can see on the top left hand side of my phone, it's cracked a little bit already, and that is because I didn't use the case to start off. I just thought that it wouldn't crack that easily, that I don't need a case, but you definitely do need a case, otherwise it will crack. And then you need to make sure that you have one of these thingies that you can stick into the little hole on the side of the iPhone 6s Plus, because that's what's going to help you open up the SIM card slot. If you don't have this little thing, you can't open it. So yeah, just some sort of small paper pin or something like that. And then you need to make sure that your SIM card has a Nano SIM. So this is a normal SIM card, but for your Android, if you were using Android, you were probably using a micro SIM, but the smallest part is a Nano SIM. So you take that out, and that's what you're going to need for the iPhone 6s Plus. Now if you don't have that, but you just have the big SIM card, then what you need to do is you need to get a SIM card cutter from eBay. Okay, you can get this from eBay for like $10 or something, and then you just put your SIM card in here or something like that, or maybe it was the other way. You just follow the user manual. Okay, just slot it in, and then it basically acts as a little stapler to cut your SIM card. Just be careful with that, you might destroy your SIM card. But anyway, most SIM cards should come with a Nano option. Okay, so to put your SIM card in, obviously just slot your little hole, slot your thing into the little hole, just push it in. Okay, push it in, and then it comes out. Take that out. Okay, and then just put your SIM card on it. It's pretty obvious which way. You can see that little corner has a cut, has a different angle, so just put it in like that. Slot your thing in. Alright, do that. Okay, just push it in. Alright, so now your SIM card is in. Make sure you put your case on, because trust me, it's going to crack without a case. Okay, and then charge it up. Okay, charging slots down here. Okay, charge it with your computer or with a standard charging thing, plug it in. And once your phone is charged, come back for the second tutorial. Thanks for watching, see you next time.